In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Airtable API key using Airtable's personal access tokens. First, open your browser and head over to the Airtable website. Log in if you're not already, and once you're in, you should land on your Airtable dashboard. This is the main page where you see all your bases and workspaces. Make sure you're logged into the correct account because the token you create will only work for this specific user. From your dashboard, look for the option called Builder Hub. Depending on your layout, it's usually available from the top navigation or side menu. Go ahead and click on Builder Hub. This area is where Airtable groups tools for building and managing integrations, automations, and developer-related settings. Inside Builder Hub, find and click on Personal Access Tokens. This is where Airtable lets you create and manage API tokens that are more secure and flexible than the old-style API keys. You'll see a list of any tokens you've already created, or it might be empty if this is your first one. Next, click on the button that says Create Token. This starts the process of setting up a new personal access token for your projects. You'll now be asked to type in a name for your token. Choose something descriptive so you'll remember what it's for later, like Zapier integration, internal dashboard, or test project. A clear name is really helpful when you come back months later and need to edit or revoke a token. Once you've named your token, click on Add a Scope. Scopes define what this token is allowed to do. Airtable will show you a list of available scopes, such as read or write access to bases or permissions for specific features. Click on one of the scopes that matches what your integration actually needs. As a good security practice, keep permissions as limited as possible. Only grant what is necessary. After choosing a scope, click on Add a Base. This tells Airtable which specific base or bases this token can access. You'll see a list of your bases. Click on the base you want the token to work with. Again, limiting access to only the bases you need is a smart way to protect your data. When you are happy with the name, scopes, and bases, click on Create Token. Airtable will generate your new personal access token. You'll now see the token on the screen. To use it, click on the copy icon next to it to copy your API token to your clipboard. Immediately paste it into a secure place, like your integration settings or a secrets manager, because you may not be able to view it in full again later. Also, never share this token publicly, since it grants access